Hey, what's going on, VIP members? Now, this is going to be pretty much the final video in this series. If you want more clarification, just let us know and we'll help you out in the weekly live Q&A calls that we do on YouTube. So keep your eyes on your emails for the weekly invites on that. But this is pretty much the completeness of the project here. The completeness, was that a word? But we're going to be scuffing everything down and basically getting our Raptor liner on the front grille done, our Raptor liner under the wheel wells, and then masking up and doing our two-tone black paint job. So I hope you enjoy this series. You're going to like it. There's a lot we're going to be covering here. Talk to you soon. When you guys are knocking out a brand new paint job, you don't want to just leave the car the way it is. You want to make everything that you put back on it nice again, right? Because who wants to put together a brand new paint job and then put on, you know, old trim that looks like this with overspray on your tailpipe or underneath your wheel wells? You want to make everything look nice to tighten it up after the new paint job. Now, we're not done with this paint job. Still have to do the two-tone, but I'm just thinking, why not? Let's just do the undercoating right now first. We're going to spray the tailpipe, the wheel wells, and our front grille with Raptor lining undercoating. Look. Okay, it's gonna go on the front here. All right, and then the bumpers are gonna be, I was also thinking, why not just undercoat and make the whole front bumper Raptor liner as well? But I also know that gloss would look really good. So we're just gonna go with the gloss black front bumper, rugged grille, okay, rugged grille insert, and then the two-tone is gonna be gloss black on the bottom as well. So where you see the seam is gonna be two-tone, it's gonna be a gloss black to match the bumpers. And then we're gonna cut over here, and then the top, the drip rail is gonna be white, but under it, all this is gonna be black. We just painted this last night, came out great, and single stage enamel, looks really, really good. Check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Grab that free training on auto body so you could bang out jobs like this from your own home garage on a budget, and have the paint jobs come out really, really nice. You know, not bad for a single stage. Talk to you soon, thanks, bye. So when doing Raptor liner, you just want to make sure that you hosed out the wheel wells. Just whatever you got going, just clean, make sure it's clean. You don't have to go crazy. If you want to scrub it a little, you can. You don't really have to prep. This stuff sticks on anything. I didn't really sand the frame. I didn't sand my leaf springs or under the wheel well. You know, as long as it's clean, you just spray this stuff right on top of it and it'll stick like crazy. All right, really good stuff. But obviously, if you're doing a bed or something, you want to make sure, you know, you scuffed it with like 80 grit or something. So, because a bed is a little bit more, you know, used. You know, you're throwing stuff in and out. You want to make sure it has good adhesion. So all we're doing here is making sure that we scuff every little area with 400 grit. Be sure you don't hit the fine line tape too much. You know, you could scuff it lightly, but you don't want to damage it, you know, to make sure you get that straight line. So that's all we're doing here. We're going to do that, blow it off. So we're using the AIC single stage enamel system. Great industrial glossy paint. I like it. You can get them in the standard colors, black and white, pretty inexpensively. I think I paid like 75 bucks for the kit. It's a 8-to-1 ratio, 8-1-1. So I mean, with the reducer, I added a little bit more reducer, and you know, in our other training videos, I show you how to get the correct viscosity when painting. So be sure to watch our other paint mixing videos. Yeah, this laid on really, really nice. It was a simple, easy mixture, 8-to-1. Now we're just tacking everything down. We blew everything off. We're going to give it a light tack coat and then spray 2 coats of our black. And remember what I say with the speed and flow. You know, you want to make sure you're going at a good speed, a good distance, and just lay it on.
Don't forget to watch the Rad's paint formula training series that I will also have in VIP. And I don't care what a lot of people say, I love the GunBud Ultra Lighting System. It's an amazing light, works really well. It saved me so many times painting. And you can see how it works. I would urge you to at least try it, pick one up, try it. Lasts a long time. I got paint all over mine. Another way to do it is to basically just put some saran wrap around the head and just tuck it in the back there. I mean, it doesn't really go anywhere. But this gun butt I've been using for many months with no issues whatsoever. I got some overspray on it, no big deal, but you can see that you need to be able to see to make sure you're laying on glossy, right? And yeah,